If you're tired of oil stains, grime, and mildew making your driveway look neglected, a powerful pressure washer can make all the difference. In this video, we're diving into the top 5 pressure washers on Amazon designed to deep clean driveways and keep your property looking sharp year-round. Let's kick things off with the Westinghouse EPX 3500 electric pressure washer, a compact yet powerful option that delivers 2,500 psi and 1.76 gallons per minute. This unit is designed with anti-tipping technology, making it more stable during use, a huge plus when you're maneuvering around a long driveway. It features 5 quick connect nozzles for various spray patterns and includes a built-in soap tank for sudsing down tough grease or dirt. The steel wand feels premium, and the power output is more than sufficient for typical driveway cleaning. This model combines portability, power, and thoughtful design, making it an excellent mid-range choice for homeowners. Next up is a high-performance machine, the electric pressure washer rated at 4,200 pounds per square inch and 2.4 gallons per minute. With those specs, you're looking at professional-level cleaning strength. This model is ideal for driveways that haven't been cleaned in years or are covered in stubborn stains like oil, mold, or mildew. It includes 4 quick connect nozzles to tackle different surfaces and a foam cannon that applies detergent evenly for a deeper clean. Despite its power, it's easy to operate and surprisingly affordable, making it one of the most value-packed pressure washers for heavy-duty residential use. The third model worth your attention is the LWQ electric pressure washer, which delivers 2.5 GPM of water flow, an impressive volume that helps move dirt and debris efficiently. It comes equipped with 4 quick connect nozzles and a durable foam cannon, making it versatile for both general surface rinsing and precision cleaning. What makes this model stand out is its balance between pressure and flow. The higher flow rate really helps when you're trying to wash away loosened grime, especially over larger driveway areas. For users who want an efficient clean with less water waste, this model hits the sweet spot. Coming in strong at number 4 is the 4,800 PSI 3.0 GPM Max electric pressure washer, one of the most powerful residential units currently available. With 3.0 gallons per minute of water flow and 4,800 pounds per square inch of pressure, this machine can strip away years of dirt, algae, and concrete stains in minutes. It includes an extended hose system that reaches up to 48 feet in total, giving you extra mobility without needing to move the unit constantly. It also includes a foam cannon and several nozzle tips for detailed control. If you have a large property or frequently deal with heavy grime, this washer is built to take on serious tasks without slowing down. Rounding out our list is not a pressure washer itself, but an essential accessory, the Lidodola 16.5-inch pressure washer surface cleaner. This surface cleaner attachment connects to most pressure washers and transforms them into pavement cleaning machines. Its dual spinning nozzles provide consistent, even coverage, making it far more efficient than using a single jet spray. The 16.5-inch cleaning width means you can cover large areas quickly, and the 4-wheel design offers smooth maneuverability. This is a must-have for homeowners who already own a compatible washer but want a faster, more uniform clean with less back-and-forth motion. Thanks for watching. You'll find direct purchase links to all 5 models in the video description. Take your driveway from dull to dazzling with the right tool and enjoy professional-grade results at home.